Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we're introducing the logic structure of the RSI Macd TPSL EA, built using FXdreema, no manual coding required. This expert advisor is designed for MetaTrader 4 and combines two classic indicators, RSI, Relative Strength Index, and MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, to generate strategic buy and sell signals, while also applying trailing stop loss, take profit, and cut loss mechanisms. Let's walk through how this EA works behind the scenes. Entry logic. The EA begins by checking that no trades are currently active. Then it uses a combination of RSI and MACD conditions to determine entry points. Buy condition: RSI 1 is greater than the buy line. RSI 2 is also above the buy line. MACD main is above the signal line. Sell condition: RSI 1 is less than the sell line RSI. 2 is also below the sell line. MACD main is below the signal line. Each trade is only opened once per bar to prevent overtrading. Trade management. This EA uses group-based trade management techniques. Trailing stop for group of trades. The system dynamically adjusts the stop loss as the market moves in your favor. Parameters such as trailing start, trailing stop, and trailing step give you full control over when and how the stop loss should shift. Cut loss logic. If the total unrealized profit across all trades falls below a set negative threshold, the EA closes all trades using a custom cut loss % formula. Customizable inputs. All trading parameters are fully customizable from the input panel. Lot size RSI and MACD periods. Buy and sell levels. Max number of trades. Trailing and cut loss settings. These allow traders to fine-tune the EA to match their personal strategy and risk profile. Important notice. Before use. This EA is not a plug-and-play solution. Before using it on a live account, make sure to understand how the indicators and logic interact. Adjust risk parameters based on your trading plan. Backtest using 99.9% tick data to verify its behavior and performance. This EA is best used on trending or swing market conditions, depending on how you configure the indicators. Want to learn more or download the source code? Visit Mqlrobot.com. And if you love no-code algorithmic trading, be sure to like and subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more FXdreema tutorials and EA strategies. Thanks for watching.